Well, we're going back to 2021 to three brothers and their best friend, or as we all know them, Greta Van Fleet. Jim, you asked for this. It's a while, yes. It's been a while since I've been there, a little while, a couple of months. So a song I don't know, so it's first reaction. Tears of Rain. It's from their channel. Go and subscribe, guys. I am. Quite baroque. Yeah. Oh, it's a prayer. It's a hymn, it's a prayer. I love the way he writes, praying for the night to comfort thee, so that you can see where they've set up. But then praying for the flood to set us free. There's a painful awareness here, isn't there? The night is the shadow, it's the refuge. The light sets you free. But sets you free from what? What is it? What is it we need to escape from? What is it we need to wait for the sun to rise for the next day? The planet is still burning, and the faces are still burning, and the mothers with their children search for the rest. So it seems to be a hymn, a prayer, a call to us all to recognize the climate, but to not worship, to respect, to see what it is. It is spiritual, but it is contextual for them. Drifting through the plains before us as it turns to dust before our eyes, pleading for a God to pour us just a little bit of rain from an empty sky. So it's at the extreme. It's the existential threat of climate damage. That's what it feels like. Whether you agree or not, doesn't matter. The song's telling you that. I like that. His voice is beautiful, always has been. And I love that sort of Baroque style, that almost church-like style without putting themselves in a church. You can see it, it's there. The visual's brilliant. This is from the Candlelight Sessions. Yeah, I jumped the verse. From an empty sky. And the planet is still turning, and the faces are still burning, and the mothers with their children search for the rain. I guess this is an ode to what could be and a recognition of what is for certain parts of the world. So it could be all of us, and it definitely is some of us on the planet. And this is, I guess it's saying that we're all part of the same problem and we can all be part of the same solution. Beautiful. That's the scream, the prayer. It's calling for us all to be heroes. It's a survival psalm. It's saying each one of us has to take that journey to generate the solution. Who will hear our prayer? Who amongst you all, the audience, the listeners around the world? Yeah. Renewal won't fall from the sky, it has to be made. Rain won't solve everything. That's the roar of thunder. That's the answer. Yeah. There's. It finishes by saying, yeah, maybe it's been answered. Wasn't a lead single. Definitely a solid album hit. Let me just look up because I've got it in front of me. So it is kind of an apocalyptic hymn, but it's a survival psalm. It's both the cautionary tale and the call to the hero, us, all of us individually. Yeah. Let me just find out where the album was. Yeah, it was released in 2021 from the album Battle at Garden State. Debuted number 7 on the Billboard 200 and topped the US rock charts. I suspect this is a fan favourite, but it's good. Good press, great singing, great musicians. Always got time for them. Always, it leaves me thinking, what's my part in whatever? Because there are issues with climate, there are issues with pollution, and they both coincide. And what part do I play when I hear this song? It makes you contemplate, but it's also just a good song, and it's easy listening. Yeah, Jim, thank you. Greta fans, get in, subscribe. Come on, drive the channel. Let's get the numbers up there. I don't ask for it very often. Please subscribe. I'll link in the channel. I'll link in the end the all of the playlists I've got for Greta. Really enjoy that. Until next time, guys. Take care.